Just a phenomenal piece of kit here.
It looks like it's something you could do motion.
Nice little detent to it. For you Boeing guys, but I'm all about the Boeing. This is phenomenal. Has some controls on the back here. Triggers. It's got the gear. Looks like it's got some throttle quadrants down here as well, in case you don't have your own. Then it looks like they have probably a separate throttle quadrant here. It's got the reverse. It's got some snap to it, which is cool. Why they didn't put a flap but yet put speed brakes, I don't know. That's a good question. No word on price, no word on release. Just amazing looking yoke.